What's good, squad? It's your girl Sunny, and I am finally back with another banging video, and it feels so great to be back making content. It helps keep me sane from working that crazy 9 to 5, but it is what it is. And I missed you guys. I really did. But this video is about UGC. If you are not sure what that means, I'm going to tell you. It's user generated content. It is all over social media, TikTok, Instagram, all of that. You literally can't miss it. It's everywhere. And if you're going to be a content creator, you definitely need to have a UGC website portfolio. This video isn't about just making a portfolio. This video is about telling you the mistakes that I have seen and that I want to help you prevent from doing. Because if you do these mistakes, you're probably going to be fumbling your bag. And we can't be fumbling your bag, okay? No. I'm here to help you. And while I'm helping you, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that way you can be a part of the squad. And click that bell notification too so that way you'll be notified when I post a new video. And I'm not going to waste any time. I'm not going to beat around the bush. Let's get right into these mistakes. Okay, wait. If you would like a tutorial on how I made my portfolio, which is so beautiful, you can check it out in my description down below. If you want a tutorial on that, go ahead and let me know. Any other tutorials you want to know as far as my intro, my outro, hair, makeup, clothing, whatever you want. Like, just go ahead and let me know, okay? I got you, I promise. Now, let's get back to those mistakes. Alright, one of the first mistakes that I've noticed of our portfolios is that some of you all are putting what UGC is and why it's important. Why are you doing that? The brands already know what UGC is. That's why they're looking for people, or that's why, you're reaching out. They know what that is. They don't need a dictionary definition of what that means. Take it off your website portfolio. You don't need it. It's wasting space and it's cluttered. You don't need that, okay? Take it off right now. If you're in your portfolio right now, doing it by watching this video, take it out right now. You do not need that, okay? Done. Alright, the second biggest mistake that I have seen, and I think this is going to cost so much money, is actually putting your rates on your portfolio. Okay? Yes, you do kind of want a section that talks about your rates and what the pay is going to be or what you're expecting, but do not put a set number on that. You putting a set number on that is taking away money you could possibly get. For example, let's just say you charge like, I don't know, $250 for a video. One TikTok video, right? But they're willing to pay you $600. Do you see it? Is the math mathing? You just missed out on all that money because they saw your rate at $250. They gonna pocket that. Don't do that. Okay? You want to put on your rates page, their different contracts you're willing to do, like that it's negotiable, rates upon request, something like that. I'll give you guys an example that's on my UGC profile. Okay, but you do not, I promise you, do not put a set rate on there. You're gonna miss out on so much money if you do that. Okay, we don't want that. So that's a big no. All right, cool. The third mistake that I've seen is the lack of creativity. Like, you're not putting your personality on there. You're just kind of like taking like the Canva template, just kind of like taking stuff out, putting your stuff in, and then that's it. You need to make it your own. You need to stand out. If you just taking this template, like, do you know how many people are UGC content creators? Everybody is like, well, not everybody. Majority of people are doing this. So if you not standing out, what's the point? You're not relatable. You're not giving your personality out there. Nobody wants to see that. So please make sure you take the time and don't rush this. Okay? Make it you. Go over it. Revamp it if you need to. Just make sure that it's you. Now, I'm not saying take forever in a day because there's money to be made, but please make sure that it's your personality. Don't waste your time, love. We don't do that. Okay? That's what we're not gonna do. So let's go over this again. the top 3 biggest mistakes is telling them what UGC is, because they already know what that is, giving them your rates and missing out on money, and not showing your personality and not being yourself. My loves, I hope this was so helpful, and I hope that you are going to revamp or edit your portfolio to correct any of these mistakes that you might have, or maybe there's something that I need to add. You can let me know too. I mean, we all come up from this experience. We're all trying to secure the bag. Everybody can get their Skrilla. All right? Everyone can get their Skrilla. Alright, my rays of sunshine, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Okay? Bye!